Hey, what's up everybody? Matt here with IronMan 4x4. Here to show you our new fridges. We've got these in 3 different sizes, the 43 liter, the 70 liter, and the 65 liter dual zone. These are awesome fridges. We also back them up with different fridge slides, both standard and a tilting slide like this one. This lets you install it in the tall rear cargo area of a SUV. Lean it down, still be able to access your food and beverages. Super handy. These fridges come with the thermal carrying bag. They're Bluetooth, so you can download an app and control it from your front seat. We've got charging ports on here. And all of these fridges you can set to freezing temps or refrigerator temps. So you can have popsicles out on the trail or deli meat or whatever you might have. This is our single zone 70 liter. It's our largest fridge that we've got. You can store a ton of food and drinks in there. And then over here, the dual zone. This one is my favorite because you can set up a freezer on this side and then the fridge on this side or vice versa. So all in all, just great fridges. We do the fridge slides for the smaller one and the larger one as well.